swear, nothing like a good wash and wax job. I haven't washed this thing in a long time. I'm with it. Now we can head to the wrap shop with the guys. Look at it if I can get there enough time. Look at it. See if we can't get some pieces. We would have to schedule an appointment to get some pieces rewrapped. But yeah, I'm with it. Looking good. Hell yeah. Just like that, you see we got the car cleaned up. You know what time it is. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out, get this cleaned up. So we got everything washed and waxed. It's gonna take care of this. This is a eyesore. And we've done this multiple times, so we're just gonna take care of this, get this back to clear again and get looking nice and pristine again. Yeah. Now we got some time that passed by. There you go, one side down. One coat anyways. I didn't even touch the other side, so you can see. Same old. Again, this is just gonna be a perfect job. Nope, but it's just gonna get rid of all that white bullshit. You can't see it. While I'm driving, it looks good. That's the point. I may end up buying another hood, one of these hoods, and having it professionally clear coated and then wrap over it, etc. I may do that later on, but I don't want to waste $1,000 right now. Put all that money into getting this thing back up and running, so I'm gonna keep it the way it is. It's good enough. It gets the job done. Stupid sun just destroys clear coat plus the heat of the motor. Here's what it is. Alright, so I'll do another coat in about 3 more minutes on this side. And then we'll do a third coat. I usually do 3 coats. I think I do 2 coats. 2 coats or 3 coats. I think this time I'll do 3 coats. And then we'll start to work on this side. Almost done. I'm about to spray now. Got one side done. I'll work on the other. Jeez, the wind is strong. Should do something like that. Oh, we're done. Just like that. Alright, got both sides done. Just gotta let it dry up and back up, stepping on the stuff. There we go. So now we're fully clean and prepped up. There we go. I like that. Yeah, it's just time consuming to do this. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'll get it done. Of course, save money. It just takes time. It's a hard ass day today. But we're good now. Let's see, everything done now. We're good to go see the rap guy. Hopefully next weekend we'll go check him out. Get the roof redone. And probably look into some other stuff. I need to order some wrap. But alright, so to show you guys, it's done. There we go with the new diffuser, the new look. We gotta get everything done. Gotta be looking pristine and looking good. Yeah. Alright, all done. There we go. All cleaned up as far as the front end of it is concerned. Bam, there we go. Okay, so I might go ahead and redo the headlights again. I got another headlight kit. Try to keep those things in stock. The headlights look okay. I can make them look perfect, like the hood. Probably do the headlights again. Get that done. Then we're gonna go see this wrap guy, like I said, and get some stuff rewrapped. Got the thing looking good again. Now we can wash and wax, man, and I'm loving it, man. I'm not even gonna lie, I am loving it. The rear diffuser. The rear diffuser is nasty. Thank you to Dash Sport. That rear diffuser is sick with the titanium exhaust. That's the only way to do it. The only way to set that shit off. So I'm glad we were able to get it mounted and get it on there. So, alright guys, I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this at the beginning or end of a video or bonus content, who knows. But we still got a lot of stuff done with the car. And the last couple of videos you saw, we got all the suspension reworked and fixed. Everything else done. We got the quick disconnect for the front bumper. We got the new diffuser I've been waiting on. I've been waiting on this diffuser for a long time, guys. Pre-production model. I got feedback on how it fits, etc. You guys already saw it. So got that done. The next thing I'm gonna do is, like I said, get some more pieces rewrapped. We're gonna go ahead and get a custom piece that goes right there. And I'm probably gonna end up changing out to this red. Then I think it's torque. Just kind of faded. Probably back to a neochrome one. You guys know I like neochrome, I like titanium, I like color changing stuff. Color changing stuff is the world. So I'll get rid of this faded one and switch back to that one, buy a brand new one. I might do that right now actually. Swapped it out. We got the whole rear situation fixed, got the tire pushed back in. That was just the adjustable arm came loose and pushed the tire out. So I got that all fixed up, and you guys saw all the suspension stuff that was fixed up. I had the quick disconnect with the front bumper. Tire that shit popping out. When you get speed, shit pops. Cool, and now we got the thing cleared back out. Cool. So I'll probably do the headlights, and then we're gonna go ahead and take on rewrapping this roof, get the roof all done. So we're getting there, guys. We're getting there, guys. And now that all this stuff is done, you guys saw how much I spent. If not, I'll total up at the end of this one. A couple of thousand to get it together. You guys want a performance car? Everybody wants one built car, blah, 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 blah. I want this, that. Costs money to maintain it, man. Remember, I built this one from scratch. This wasn't a Type R or Focus RS or the Evo that's already together. You're just upgrading parts around. I built this from stock. The EX Eco Class R18s. Alright, man. If you guys have any questions, you guys know what to do, post it down below. I'm gonna go away and get it hot. Watch this new TV that I barely watched. Actually play some games or something. I'll see you guys next video. I'm out. Peace. Like 7. 7. That's what I'm interested in. My boys got that. Focus on us. Remember he's talking to you about it?
Nothing. I think you're right. I think it was
That's crazy.
they didn't use like a lift system.
The thermostat hose is hot.
Yeah, they have. That's how high your shit's supposed to be. So you can see.
Yeah. That or if it's got some sort of like.
That thing's cool.
And I don't know, we might have to look, but I don't know if the
spots.
steam port is routed correctly, so that could be area.
Yeah, focus eyes. SDI. About to bring my car and pick some stuff up.
And since it's sitting lower than the fucking upper radiator hose, I don't know if that's a problem. Because
Is
that
this
should,
reverse flow or
it should flow
this way and then comes up the thermostat?
This could be good. Look how high that is. In the cooler. Pour it in the cooler. Yeah, that could be you, Jimmy. That should be you. That should be you. You make it to that place. That's crazy. Look how it is. Yeah, we need to hear the code. That's 7.
How's that?
The interior is all here. This car is for sale too, by the way. Auto Park Dallas. Yeah, really nice. I don't know what my car is. Back up, check out and see. I got the 455, 456 again. Smoke test here. We're gonna see if it's the fill pump. It's causing it. You change the box out. Came right back on. Awesome. I click disconnect, fix that. Hoping it's something like that. Here's about the vapor test. For those of y'all that want to see the diffuser, hot shot on. There you go. I'm sure I had that front toe hook. I need toe hook, but I don't have it yet. Not yet. Yeah. Hopefully you'll get some.
that size to get your rubber couplers.
Yeah.
It's like inch and a half.
Have 1.5? Yeah, right. I still remember 1.5. Yeah, maybe do that, man. Maybe.
Oh man, I'm ready to start this weekend though, I'll tell you that.
When you go, I think I'll be here for minutes, I just say that. One done. Probably going to end up being something with the fill pump basket that's causing that cell. I have to buy a new basket and he's got to swap it out. I want to see. Could be the seal, but if we're going to go that far, you might have to swap it out, so we'll see. Cleans up my overflow hose so that it's nice and clear for upcoming car shows. Fix this. For some reason, the screw backed out, put some Loctite on that, so now we'll pack out, we're good to go as far as that. But other than that, it's basic stuff. Basic mods. Basic stuff. You see the sequel right here. That's what right here. That is a nice mod stuff. Like I said, this was out. Auto Park Dallas, for those of you guys that want to know. I get it while it's hot. So someone's gonna buy it. Let's see an example. Thank Jordan Sigma for the shirt to look at this in blue. He's added a bunch of stuff to it. Hello now. BBS. It was stock. I had somebody had hit them and they fixed it all. Yeah. It does not look anything like it. Yeah, for those guys that want to see it. Awesome. There you go. Yeah, that's a rare blue. hood. You should go look it up. This came in on here. Legit RA. Yeah. Legit RA. Nice. And that's the race car right there. You said. Yeah, legit RA. Pretty cool.